Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to play 5 Nights at Freddy's on piano slowly and easily. First, locate simplified sheet music or an online tutorial designed for beginners. Focus on understanding the basic melody and the accompanying bass line. Ensure your posture is relaxed and your hands are positioned comfortably over the keys, ready to begin your musical journey. This foundational step is crucial for a smooth learning experience. Now, let's focus on the main melody, typically played with your right hand. Begin by practicing each phrase at a very slow pace, perhaps using a metronome set to 60 beats per minute. This helps build muscle memory and ensures accuracy. Pay close attention to your finger placement, aiming for smooth and deliberate movements between each note. Repetition is key here, so don't rush through this important stage. Once you feel confident with the right-hand melody, it's time to introduce the left-hand bass line. Start by practicing the bass notes independently, ensuring you understand their rhythm and placement. Then, slowly try to combine both hands, focusing on the coordination between them. It's often helpful to play at an even slower tempo when combining hands for the first time, perhaps 40 beats per minute, to maintain precision. Consistent practice is essential for mastering any piece. Aim for regular, short sessions, perhaps 15 minutes each day, rather than infrequent long ones. Consider recording yourself playing. Listening back can highlight areas for improvement you might otherwise miss. As your confidence and accuracy increase, gradually raise the metronome's tempo. Remember, patience and persistence are your best allies in becoming a skilled pianist.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.